folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and this week we're going to try a little concoction, Salisbury meatloaf. We've got roughly 3 pounds of burger here. We're going to have 2 cans, or 2 jars I should say, of beef gravy. You can make your own if you want. And we'll be using approximately, I'm thinking, around a cup of the beef broth. We're just making this as we go, folks. We'll make sure we've got it written down and have it in the description for you there. And these eggs are small, either 2 large eggs or 4 small eggs. And we're going to be putting in approximately, I would say, a cup and a half of instant mashed potatoes and about a cup of breadcrumbs and 1 packet of onion soup mix. We've got the oven preheated over there to 375. We'll just mix everything up in this pan here, glass pan. So it ain't gonna be a whole big mess. And also today we went and dug some of our new taters out there. We are going to line these up alongside and let them cook with the meatloaf. We'll have those to eat with it. Let's get started, folks. Alrighty, folks. We put in 1 pack of the Lipton soup mix. Well, off-brand Lipton soup mix, the onion. Now we're going to get the beef broth here. Let's go ahead and go with let's go with 1.5 cups. We'll see how that works out. Like I said, we'll sit down and write it down for you, the recipe. Alrighty, we got 1.5 cups of the instant taters. We'll go ahead and pour them in here. Set this to the side. Now we're going to we'll eyeball this here instead of dirtying up another measuring. Okay, we've got 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Now, like I said, we're doing it all in this glass pan so we don't have a great big cleanup. Put this away. Now, let's go ahead and just kind of mix our burger around a little bit here. We'll add our eggs to it, and then our liquid. Alrighty. Now we got our 4 eggs in there. Like I said, we went with 4 of the small eggs, 2 large eggs if you have them. Okay, let's get our onions all mixed through here. Then what we're going to do, we'll just mix this together and we'll see how it looks. Okay, folks. You don't want to overwork your burger or you'll wind up with a tough meatloaf. Now, get it to the shape you want it there. And then let me wash my hands. Tater's going to have it on them anyway. We're just going to place our taters around in here now. These little fellers here, drop them right down in there. Alrighty. And we'll throw it in the oven here for 375 for approximately, we'll start checking it about 1 hour and 15 minutes. we're looking probably an hour and a half, as thick as this one here is. But we'll let you know in the recipe, folks. And I've not forgot about our gravy. I'm going to let it actually cook for about 15 minutes, just to sort of brown the top a little bit. And then we'll pour one of our jars of gravy on top of the meatloaf and let it finish cooking. Alrighty folks, there you have it. We wound up cooking it for an hour and 30 minutes. Once again, 15 minutes after it cooked, we took it out of the oven. We poured on one of the cans of gravy. That may be all the, since we didn't have mashed potatoes, that may be all the gravy we need. We'll see. Here's our taters. Carolyn's cooking our beans over there right now. And I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Oh yeah, that's right, we gotta show you the plate. Got ahead of myself. Alrighty, there it is plated up, folks. Should get us taste there. Be honest. I know,
Hot.
it's probably hot.
Tastes like a Salisbury steak. Good. Delicious.
Alrighty folks, you heard her. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Lord willing, be seeing you Friday. Thank y'all again for watching.